Welcome to GSK House. I'm Aisling Laverty, the project lead of this year's GSK Environmental Sustainability Supplier Awards. The awards give suppliers a chance to showcase their environmental projects they have implemented over the last 18 months. This allows us to recognise and reward suppliers, big or small. Our suppliers have showcased various projects aimed at reducing carbon emissions, water stewardship and waste. The judgment criteria for this year's awards are based on GSK's values: innovation, performance and trust. This year, we have received the highest number of submissions since opening the awards 6 years ago, and the quality has continued to impress. Needless to say, this made choosing our two winners a difficult task. I want to take the opportunity to introduce other members of the judging panel who worked together to decide this year's winners.
I'm Ben Thornton-Jones. I'm part of the global procurement team at GSK and our sustainability lead within procurement. Our suppliers are a vital part of our value chain as they support a wide range of goods and services delivered to our business. What stood out for us was the number of suppliers that showcased innovation when reducing their environmental impact. By addressing key challenges in their own supply chain and industry sectors really helped with creation of novel ideas. One supplier that particularly stood out in terms of our first judgment criterion, innovation, was JRS Pharma. They are working on biodegradable replacements for microplastics in cosmetics.
I'm Cheryl O'Hara, EHS lead in the External Supply and Business Development team. I'm really happy to be involved in this year's awards and to see applications from so many of our contract manufacturers and API suppliers. I particularly enjoyed hearing about how suppliers made efficient use of resources in their projects. Our second judgment criterion was performance, so we were looking for submissions which delivered substantial improvements in environmental impacts. With the growing crisis on climate change, we were particularly interested in submissions that address carbon footprints and made bold strategic changes to reduce impact now and in the future. I would therefore like to commend Ecolab and their 3D Trasar Smart Technology project, which optimises resources and has resulted in water savings equivalent to the amount of drinking water used by 643,915 people per year.
Hi, I'm Scott Oram and I'm part of the Environment, Health, Safety and Sustainability team supporting research and development at GSK. The main emphasis of my role is to ensure legislative compliance at our GSK sites across a broad range of environmental regulations. I also set GSK sustainability policies and standards and support the implementation of those standards at our sites. The final judgment criterion was trust, so we were interested in projects that deliver real environmental outcomes that impact local communities. Suppliers that build positive connections within these communities and integrate the workforce in the projects were given credit. Therefore, I'd like to praise SK Iodine for their social and environmental impact on their local community, in particular their medical and educational initiatives, which has improved the lives of local villagers.
And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the winners of this year's Supplier Awards. Let's hand it over to Claire.
Hi, I'm Claire Lund, and I've worked in GSK for 7 years within procurement and now have the role of Head of Environmental Sustainability across GSK. Being involved with the Supplier Awards this year has allowed me to see what our suppliers are doing, and I have thoroughly been impressed with the vast number of high quality submissions and efforts that our suppliers are putting into sustainability. These are a great way to showcase innovation, performance and trust agendas for the environment and our responsibilities as a company. With that being said, I would now like to announce the winners of the 2019 GSK's Environmental Sustainability Supplier Awards. Our winner for the small, medium-sized enterprise caught our eye with their engagement with local mint farmers and encouragement of excellence of agricultural practices across regions of India. Their project engaged over 16,000 farmers, improving yields, reducing costs of operation, and increasing income for farmers and their families. Congratulations to Callisons. The winner of the large-sized enterprise goes to an organisation that has created an innovative local energy market in Cornwall, using domestic and business solar panels and battery storage to create a virtual power plant. Their project, as well as generating clean energy in the local area, is inspiring future engineers and scientists on how to tackle climate change. Congratulations to Centrica. Well done to both of our winners. Your projects have impressed all of the judges and will help inspire not only other industry members, but also us on our collaborative journey towards sustainability.
Due to the outstanding quality of entries this year, along with the high number of submissions, we have decided to recognise runners-up. For the small medium-sized enterprise category, our runners-up are Irrigated, who partnered with Nipro Ireland to design a zero-waste and circular economy tool, and Tradibi Chemicals, who established a closed-loop recycling process for a prioritised waste stream. For the large enterprise category, our runners-up are Divi's Laboratories, who initiated several projects to recover waste and convert it to a valuable byproduct, and Simrise, who created a new multi-step process that leads to a natural biodegradable molecule replacing a synthetic equivalent. Congratulations! At GSK, sustainability across our value chain starts with our suppliers. Therefore, we really appreciate all the commitment our suppliers dedicate to reducing their environmental impact. With the need to act now on sustainability, we could not meet our goals without you, so a huge thank you to everyone who was involved in submitting an application. Alone, we can only do so much, but together, we can work towards a sustainable future.